Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use openPipe. This is only for Houdini, but I don't know why I put the name like openPipe. Looks like for every other tools, but this is only for Houdini. So if you see my openPipe GitHub directory, not directory, project page, you can see this. This is a package, file structure. So they have like OTLS and then Python libraries and openPipe JSON file. If you see openPipe JSON file, so they have like command and an EMB setup and path setup. So usually I want you to use like specific version of this, not like this line means you can use a bulk version of like version 20 and 6.5 a bulk. But in my case, I'm using like this. So this is openPipe. I like to use for specific version of Houdini like this. So I can only, whenever I open this Houdini version, these openPipes initialized. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this. I already have Houdini open. So for now, like 5.22 and 3.11, Python version 3.11. So let me open Python. So basically, if you want to check your asset, this asset's installed or not, you can import like here. For example, globals. If you don't have any errors, then it's gonna be imported. If you type like globals, then they're actually pointing this file like globals cp311 win something like this. So this means it's actually loaded. Let me see about this. That's globals asset. Usually this one setting like project directory for your file. So let me set for my project like here. I'm going to create test project like here. P test. Just like P drive, and project's gonna be test, node gonna be master. Same. Lighting. Okay. If I say file, let me open Edge script and set. Then you can actually see job directory and job drive and some of the local geo, megascan, some kind of EMB variables, and then some kind of custom variables like this. So actually this is not correct. Okay, go to variables. If you set variables, then you can get proper directory like this. I think at some point I have to fix this. Like whenever we press save file, they're gonna run these set variables, but I didn't connect that yet. That's why it looks like this. But mainly this is for setting we're setting like EMB variables for this project, and we'll also define some variables like this: asset, geo, bake, render, megascan, custom, 1, 2, 3. So so now this one basically connected with this file globals. So if you don't have this, it's not gonna work. So next one, like let's try file cache. This is one of tool that I have. This one also like you can save files. So just a file, caching file, and then you can actually find a file from your specific custom directory or company directory or your own directory like that. If I have a box, let me show you how to use it quickly. So if you connect file cache here, this is a cube. I want to save this one just single static geometry, so I'm going to save this one to asset. Then you can see asset directory and geo, cube, and version and resolution extension kind of thing. But this is single frame. So, and then if you want to refresh and reload, also you can build wrap like here. Then you can actually save to disk here. Then if you run Explorer, then you can actually see where this file is saved. So this is project, asset, geo, cube. This is instance number 0. So first instance, which is asset. So this is file cache. So if you want to Megascan is one of the tool that I have. So let's try textboat. I don't know, Python shell. So if you import Megascan and run type one more time, then you can actually see this is loaded. This one actually loaded already. So let me see how to use this. You have to, if you have like a bridge kind of Unreal Engine app, you can, whenever you download this file, then they're gonna create downloaded file. I want you to point. This is already pointed by default. This is the asset data. Maybe this one also has some similar directory structure. So that's gonna be asset data. So here, Megascan. What? Download. Maybe this is asset data. You can actually point into the asset data here. Then you can get 3D. You can actually see categories like, for me, 3D and 3D plant. And asset, you can actually see that asset. You can actually load the asset like here. This one looks weird, but yeah, you can see like this. You can roll this right away. So this is one of tool that I have, and you can actually bring the textures, everything, so ready to render. You can actually change the scale. So this is one of tool. Also, like you have like file, design asset. So for this, you can actually get data from here. This is actually writing out. This is loading. Actually, you can choose like if there are other version or other resolution or other extension of file. You can actually browse and find. So asset type is going to be asset. It's going to be can use for other project. And geo is more like asset is more like for reusable data, and then geo like simulated data. So you can choose between that. This asset and geo. That's all what I have. If you guys have any questions, just put some note. Comment. Then I'm going to answer every single comment for you guys. Okay. Thank you so much.